recording or not, but what is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tip. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a headset called the Logitech G533 Wireless. It's going to be my first impressions because I haven't even watched a video on this headset. I want it to be more of a surprise, and obviously if I don't like it, I can return it to the stables that I bought it at. Alrighty, so here's the packaging. It's obviously just, it's simple, nothing that's like confusing or anything. It's 7.1 surround. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, so I'm going to be a little rusty. Oh, it's got tape. Hold on, I got to break out my fucking redneck knife. There we go. Let's hope I don't cut myself because I'm cutting towards myself, but you know what they say, right? Okay, so this is going to be more complicated. I'm going to get this box out of the box. There's nothing much to see. So right off the bat, you can see that it's got the little receiver, which is actually kind of nice because then I can just plug it into the back of my computer and forget about it. But I like the packaging. It's super simple, and I'm guessing you just plop this guy out and then drop the... What the hell? Is that the charging cable? Of course it's not Type-C, because, you know, Logitech. See, okay, so I'm going to take the headset out, and then the little receiver, because, again, one-handed here. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you guys get a better view. My phone should be able to do this. So here's the receiver. Just going to... And then, yeah, you can see here's the receiver, and here's the headset. The headset, the build quality, is, like, actually really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around so I can put it on. Right off the bat, it's, like, really comfortable. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull my computer out of the, I'm going to pull my computer out of there and then pull it out, get it plugged in and test out the sound quality because I'm super curious. So this is going to be the first impressions video, and then in a couple weeks or even a month, I'm just going to say a month with or a month later with this specific headset just to see what I can do. And I do kind of like how the microphone just flips down. It's actually really handy. The headset's a little bulky. I'm guessing these light up. I'm not going to take these off until I know I'm not going to return it, so I'm going to leave them on for a few days. I'm definitely going to take the plastic off this, though, because I can heat up. But, yeah, so let me go ahead and plug this in, and I'll let you guys know from there. Alright, so I plugged in the adapter. Oh, it started working, and it's not bad. So I'm guessing it has... So, one thing I will mention, it being a $50 headset where I bought it, you can probably get it cheaper on Amazon. Oh, yeah! So if you... The little knob on the headset, like I'm not touching the mouse or keyboard, turns it up and down. Well, that is something I do like. I'm actually going to go into Logitech G Hub and see if it shows up as an item. So I was just wondering if I could hear myself. Oh yeah, okay, that's a lot better. That is nice. It's got the side tone. You can turn the mic up and down. I'm going to turn that down and mess with it later, but surround sound, enable surround sound. Oh! Holy fuck. Okay, so I just listened to the tests that built in, and let me tell you what, I've never heard the best headset. Like, I've heard, like, really good headsets that are, like, $150 to $250 in the range, but for 50 bucks, you can't go wrong. This would probably be the end of the review in some senses. We are going to go onto my desktop, though, and test the microphone out, because I hear the microphone's not great, but I'm also going to show you how to change the settings in the microphone. So I'm actually going to do that right now. If you get a headset, one thing I'd always recommend to do is go down to your sound settings here. You're going to right-click on it and go to Sounds. It's going to pop up with this window here. You're going to go to Recording, and you're going to find the headset that you're using for the microphone. You're going to right-click on it and click Properties. Go over to Advanced. Now, if it's DVD quality, you're fine. If it says telephone quality, I've already had a headset where I had to change it, so it probably defaulted to that. But if it's at telephone quality, it's going to sound like crap. But that's something you want to change because that'll actually fix your microphone settings. So we're going to go into OBS real quick, and we're going to jump onto the computer and see what it sounds like. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, we are on the desktop at the moment. I would definitely recommend this headset. Alright, we're going to stop right there. So the microphone is actually not great. I am actually going to return this headset. But if you would like to buy the headset just for the purpose of music making or even just gaming, I would still recommend it. The 7.1 surround is amazing. Like it's a really good experience. But for me, since I'm a content creator, I need something with a little better microphone quality. And I do game a lot, and I would prefer to have better microphone quality. Yeah, I could go out and buy like a desk-mounted stand for microphone, but I'd rather just get a better headset. That way I don't have to worry about that. You could probably hear me breathing too, which is part of the problem. I can hear myself breathing because of the sidestep thing. But yeah, I would not recommend this headset if you're a content creator. Don't get me wrong, Logitech has really good peripherals and stuff, but I think they're better off making peripherals. I've never used any of their other headsets, so I could be wrong. They could have better headsets, and maybe I'll change my mind in the future. But I would definitely recommend getting a different headset if you are a content creator. Again, not a bad headset. It's really comfortable. I've had it on since 7 o'clock, and it's 11 o'clock right now. And my head does not hurt. If I take it off, I bet my ears won't hurt like my other headsets do. But I am going to return it, and I'm going to get something better, and I will be doing a review on that anyway. But I just wanted to warn you, if you already just watched half the video and said, yeah, it's a good headset, I am sorry, I apologize, I am not responsible for that. You really should watch the video all the way through. But yeah, I do apologize. I hope you guys do make your choice wisely. Again, good headset, but the microphone is not great at all. It sounds pretty good. I'm actually going to quickly stop this recording and go look at the recording just to see what the actual sound is, because I'm super curious. So I will be right back. Alright, so I'm definitely not going to lie. The headset's microphone is not great, but it's not horrible. It's something I can still definitely record with, but I would recommend if you're going to get into like professional recording or anything, I would definitely recommend getting like a studio microphone, which is what I'm going to do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.